So, ayan, i-scoop natin. Ano na makikita natin dito sa paella? Makita to ng father, hindi ko. Thank you so much for the food. So, this is for them. Dahil, they will not eat paellas or so. At least you sing.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ganito lang yung buhay dito. Pagka-overflow.
Happy birthday.
Huy! Ayaw! Today is my special day. So, ayan guys, titingnan natin. Yes, baby. Kasi, yes, Beatrice, nilutuan ako ng aking father-in-law ng paella. So, titingnan natin pareho kung ano yung paella natin. So, I will transfer it here. Kasi, isang kaldero po yung binigay sa atin. Ayan, ganito po yung ito po yung binigay sa atin. Binalot nila para at least pa rin siya hindi siya malamig. So, ayan. Isang kaldero po. Tapos, tingnan nyo. Tcharan! So, masarap kasi gumawa ng paella yung father-in-law ko. So, yung nag-request ako na ipagluto niya ako. So, ayan. I-scoop natin. Ano na makikita natin dito sa paella? Makita to ng father, hindi ko. Thank you so much for the food. So, ito ay may mga seafoods po. So, we have shrimp here. So, ilagay natin dito. Transfer natin dito. So, may shrimp, meron siyang seafoods to yung mix na seafoods. So, ayan, ako lang naman kakain ito. Hindi po sila kakain. Lolo and Lola already have their food too. They also eat this one? Ha? Okay. Okay. The whole cooking fun is for me. So, ganito po yung yung niluto ng aking father-in-law para sa akin. Ilagay ko na dito yung lahat. Mabigat na. This is my birthday gift from Lolo. So, ipinagluto tayo ng aking father-in-law at mother-in-law. Kasi mother-in-law ko hindi magkakain ito. My father-in-law po. Kasi my father-in-law likes also to eat seafoods. Kaming dalawa lang dito kumakain ng seafood sa bahay. Walang kumakain yan dito. So, ako, pinagluto ko sila kasi ako lang naman matutuwa nito. Really? So, meron tong mga shells, seashells, at saka, kita mo, kanina pa to dinala ng asawa ko mga 5 minutes ago. Pero mainit pa rin kasi binalot nga nila. Ito yung pambalot ni Lola, oh. Oo. Marami siyang mga ganyan-ganyan. So, yeah. So, ito na. Pakita ko sa inyo the reveal of the seafoods. May green shell to. May green shell, shrimps, seafoods. Yan. Meron po yan dito. So, ayan. Pakita ko. Wait lang. So, ito po. Ito yung paella ng aking pampaela ng aking father-in-law. Yan. Ako lang kakain. Ako lang kakain yan. Walang kakain iba dito. So, yeah. So, this is our first menu. Aroy, paella. So, we have here the mojos. Ayan. Saka, we have ito red wine. Orange juice. This is for me, for my husband, and Beatrice's water. So, ganun po. Yes, baby? Excuse me,
Why is that smell coming from, Mama?
it depends on you. So, this is beef. Lagyan rin ng beans. And this is rice. So, so this is for them. Dahil, they will not eat paellas or so. So my husband is so tall. You have to make that. So Beatrice will not eat also. So pinuno. So this is our salad. So ganun pa rin.
I don't want to eat the seafood.
The seafood, see? Kita niyo, narinig nyo? Hindi kakain ng seafoods. Walang kakain ng seafoods dito, ako lang. As in. So, ako lang mag-i-enjoy sa birthday ko. Dahil hindi naman talaga sila kumakain ng seafoods. Tapos wala kaming bisita. Beatrice, look at how she look at the food. Ganon siya. So, this is our, yan. Under cake, we will serve it later. Yan na yung food natin. Beef, mojo, the rice, our paella, the wine, and the salad. So ganun lang po yung ating pa-birthday. So, I will turn off this one. Beatrice. So, it will focus there. Let's see how it will focus. It's dark. So, let's eat. Cheers. Happy 44th birthday to me. Ay, yours.
Juice.
Yes. Only on that juice. The wine glass.
Mama, the Paris bag is there.
Yeah, just did it.
Oh,
Mawag yung
go.
papa niya, mama niya. Kung gusto ko daw yung
Sim,
pagkain.
stop.
Ako ilasing na.
Andrea, aspetta venire down.
So, let's sing happy birthday to me.
You have to turn off.
Okay. Okay, they will sing happy birthday to May.
Yes.
You drink your water,
Don't
Beatrice.
blow it out.
You sing happy birthday first, both of you. Request. Wait, it's too hard to... Okay, okay na. Okay, Beatrice, you sing.
Birthday
To you, happy birthday.
Ganito lang yung buhay dito. Pag kayo tatlo.
Happy birthday, dear mama. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, yay! Blow the
Wish something, wish
candle.
something.
Wish.
Hello?
Okay.
Blow it out.
Blow the candle. Huy! Ayaw! Gusto mo nga ang wish? Okay. Happy birthday. Ganon. Para hindi tumalsik yung laway. Thank you, my love. And to my baby. Beatrice, get us a... Thank you so much, Bria. Love you. Sorry.
Mama, now I can give you the surprise.
What is your surprise? You have more surprise for Mama?
No, the one that I already put in your room.
She has a surprise for me. Actually, this morning, she covered it with the... Oh, Papa will go na because he will make my computer.
Ah,
He covered it with the blanket because she says that we are going to... Here. What you're going to... This is a surprise for me, daw. Because you're going to...
Because sometimes you want to travel.
If you want to travel. So I have to check here first.
It's the earth.
So I have... What I'm going to do with here? I'm going to check.
Yeah, and to spin it where you want to go.
So I have to spin it wherever I want to go. So she say, even I'm at home, at least I can go to the place here. My turning around the globe. Thank you, Bea. I love you.
Mama, if you want to go here.
Where is that? Libya? I don't want to go to Libya.
No, it's not Libya. It's Egypt.
Egypt. Yeah, one of Mama's wish list. Na? To go to Egypt. So before my friend, she's working in
Mama, say Egypt.
but she's now in California. Hi, Guada. So yeah, but I think she's working now in. I search her. Guada, I search for you. I'm checking. She's working now in what is the company of Elon Musk? Basta sa SpaceX. One of my friend is working. One of my beautiful sister kasi kapatid ko yan, younger sister sa boarding house. She's,
I also have another surprise.
yes, what is that, baby? She's an electronics engineering. Thank you. And then,
It's your country.
I searched for her because before I want to go to Egypt, I messaged her. And then, since nag-asawa na tayo, eh, dito na tayo pumirme. Hindi man ako nakalabas ng
Mama.
Portugal.
Mama, do not spin it too much. It might break the stick. It will break off the paper.
May sabihan pa. So, yun. Now, she's working in SpaceX. One of my friend. Diba? Friend, kababatang kapatid sa boarding house. So, mga successful po yung mga kaibigan ko. Most of my friends
Mama,
and
I only have 2 surprises.
yeah, especially sa mga boardmates ko dati nung college is napaka-successful po nilang lahat. So, ayan.
Mama, if you have that flag, you can put here.
Yeah. So, this is my cake. Yes, this
And
is
these are the surprises. A
surprise.
Philippine
Yung Philippine flag.
and the globe.
And the globe. Now, I can travel daw. So, ito, yung cake natin. I bake chocolate cake na merong filling sa loob. Which you can sa loob. So, yan. So, maliit lang yung binake ko. So, I will give my in-laws and someone is important to me. So, tomorrow, later, I will slide this. I will eat. I will show you what's inside. Let's show what's inside. Baby, you want to eat cake, Bea?
Yeah.
Okay.
After I eat this.
Okay. So, kami lang ang kakain. Kasi, yung papa namin ayaw kumain. Tingnan mo yung mata ko. O, diba? Tantalizing eyes na kasi nahubog. Nahubog. My God. So, let's slice the cake. Slice natin. Tanggalin natin to. Slice natin yung cake. Napaka-soft. Red ribbon to yung ano nito eh. Tingnan mo.
Is that your design, Mama?
Yep.
The
Small
stars?
design. Yeah.
Mama, you love stars.
Of course I do.
You love to gaze the stars?
Yes, of course. So, we'll show you what's inside our cake. Ganito po yung cake natin. Ang sa loob ay may laman po yan. Ayan. May cream.
Wow!
That's inside the cake.
Inside there's
baby.
vanilla.
It's not vanilla. It's like, it's
yummy.
actually like leche flan, guys. This is our cake. I'll show you, guys. Ayan. Ganyan po yung cake natin. Yung loob ng cake. Yung filling natin. So, yeah. So, yung papa namin, hindi kakain kasi ganun yan sila dito eh. Kaya hindi tayo pwedeng maghanda ng kung ano-ano ganun kadami. Beatrice, kanya turn off for a while. Kasi nga, kami naman tatlong kakain. Sayang yung mga pagkain. So, yun. And, it's really good. The cream inside. It's really, really good. Ayan tayo. Ayan. Perfect with wine. Dugang kahubog. Ay. Ayan. Kain tayo. Sarap. Ano to eh? Parang red ribbon. Nagtitinda ako nito. Titinda. Pre-order. That's all for today. And that's all for my birthday. Thank you God for another year. Ganun lang naman yun. Diba? So, yung binigay ni Lola, i-travel namin yan. Dito lang, within Portugal. At saka, thank you for my father-in-law. And thank you for my husband. He has something for me. Thank you so much. And my daughter, thank you so much, Beatrice, for loving Mama and for the gift and everything. And for my husband also. And for my in-laws. Diba? So, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next video. Bye.